students, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to discuss about class 9's polynomial chapter, factorization. Now for factorization first part already I have discussed in the previous session, so if you want to check it you can go to the description box and get the link over there. So this is the second video of factorization. Now factorization last day we have done with quadratic polynomials. Today we will be doing with cubic polynomials. Okay, so for that I am taking one question from your book, that is x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. We need to factorize it and we have to find out x's value from this. So first what we will do? First we will do that we will actually look at the factors of 120. So what are the factors of 120? For that we need to do its factorization. 120 is 260, 213, 215, 35. Okay, so this is a factorization. Now 2 is a factor. First of all, plus minus 1 is a factor. Plus minus 2 is a factor, plus minus 3 is a factor, plus minus 4 is a factor, plus minus 5 is a factor, plus minus 6, plus minus 6, then plus minus 8, then plus minus not 9, not 10, yes 10, then plus minus 12, then plus minus and so on. 24 we are getting here. So there are dot. There are many factors of 120. Now here in this method we will actually do trial and error method. We will start with plus 1, then minus 1, then plus 2, then minus 2, like this. So what we have to do, first we will be taking p of plus 1. Okay, p of plus 1. So we will find out its value. It means 1 cube is 1 minus 23 into 1 square, that means minus 23. It's 1 part like this. So we are getting ultimately it's minus 22 and this portion is plus 22. So 22, that is cancels, that is 0. Once we have got 0 for this, that means this 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. Right? And we all know by factor theorem, once we have got this 0, that means x minus 1 is a factor. Right? U of 1 is 0. So x minus 1 is a factor. Already we have done in the previous sessions. So x minus 1 is a factor. Once we have got this x minus 1 is a factor, then we have to do the next procedure. Look at this process very carefully. The question was x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. One factor we have got. We have got one factor x minus 1. There will be something other factor, right? X minus 1 into something. That's something we will write later. First, in the second line, we will be writing x minus 1 in some gaps. That means like this, x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1. Okay? Then we will try to put here, understand it properly. We will try something here so that the first line will come back. Okay, the first line will come back. So we will be, let me write this one in the third line. It will be better for you. Look, I am writing over here x square, then x cube I am getting, right? So x cube minus, look at this, what it is, actually minus x square. But what we need to get? We need to get minus 23x square. Okay, we have got x minus 1 as a factor. We have placed it in some gaps and then we are trying to get back to the given question, backward process. There is another process also, I will discuss that one also, but just let me do this one because this is really very easy once you practice it. So minus x square, that means I am writing 22x square. Look, now minus x square and minus 22x square is becoming minus 23x square. So after this it's okay, balanced. Now minus 22x square, here we can write down minus 22x. Then after multiplying we will be getting this third term. What will be the fourth term? Fourth term will be plus 22x. We need to get plus 142x. So we will be adding plus 120x. Once we have got plus 120x here, we will come down again to match it. Plus 120 is the multiplier, 120x and minus 120. Okay, look, minus 120, this minus 120. So we have actually got a factorization process. That means here it is x square minus 22x plus 120. Now, in some cases, you can actually factorize this portion also, here also, because x minus 1 and this part 22 can be broken into 12 and 10. So like this we can write down, and then x minus 1 into this portion can be written as x minus 12 into x minus 10. So ultimately you can see this one is factorized in the final line, x minus 1 into x minus 12 into x minus 10. Now this is purely algebraic process, just backward process you can say. Okay, this is backward process. Now how we can do it in forward process? Means there will be no ambiguity that this way you have to take and that. No, nothing. This directly will do it. So what we will do, once you have got x minus 1 as a factor, the first part is obvious. Trial and error for finding the factor is obvious for any means method. Okay, so once we have got the factor, we will actually divide the given polynomial by that factor. Then what we will get? We will get normally just it is x square, that means it's x cube minus x square. Then it's minus x plus it's minus 22x square plus 142x minus 120. So it's minus 22x, that means minus 22x square and plus 22x, so it's minus, it's plus cancelled. This one is 120x minus 120, so it's plus 120, x is minus 120 and 0. Okay, so look, we have got the quotient like this, and this quotient can be factorized into x square minus 12x minus 10x plus 120. Okay, that means it can be again written as x minus 12 into x minus 10. So ultimately we are getting the factorization as x minus 12 into x minus 10 into x minus 1. This is the final factorization, because two factors we have got from the quotient and one factor is the divisor itself, divisor and the quotient factors. So ultimately the given polynomial can be factorized in these two ways. You can choose any one of them, whatever you are comfortable with, no problem with that. Okay, now depending on this part, you can do exercise 2.4 question number 5 all questions. Okay, 2.4 exercise 2.4. So with the help of the process that I just discussed, you can do exercise 2.4 question number 5 all. Okay, it's all parts you can do. Okay, so this is the first part of our session today. Coming to the second part, that is algebraic identities. Okay, or algebraic identities, anything you can say. So algebraic identities. Just in a simple language, if I want to tell, then I would tell like algebraic formula. Okay, that you already have done in previous classes like 7, 8. Okay, so the first identity comes with x plus y is whole square. Obviously second one is x minus y is whole square. Then third one, here in your book it is x square minus y square. And the fourth one, I hope it is x plus a into x plus b. Okay. Now x plus y is whole square, everybody knows x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is x square minus 2xy plus y square. And this one is x plus y into x minus y, and this one is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, so these are four preliminary identities, algebraic identities that are there in your syllabus. So by using these identities, we can do exercise 2.4, sorry, exercise 2.5. The question is use suitable identities to find the following products. Okay, so we can do question number 1 all questions. Question number 1 all questions can be done by using this identity. Question number 2 can be done by using these, any one of these four identities. Then question number 3. Question number 3 also can be done in very simple way. So question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 of exercise 2.5, these are direct applications of these four identities. So I hope you all can do it, because this is very simple. So well, I think I need to, because now there are another 3 identities, and there were actually in your syllabus previously it was 8 algebraic identities, but just before 2-3 days CBSE board has declared its new syllabus, and they have deleted some portions That's why now we have in the revised syllabus of class 9, we have only 7 identities, not the last one. So these are 4 and there are 3 more. Okay, so and I will be discussing with those 3 identities in the next video. So this is all about today's session, students. I hope you have understood, and now I am sure that you can apply it in the exercise questions. Okay, so we will meet in the next video with other 3 identities. Till then, have a good day.